Well, good morning everyone. Welcome to the online mathematics class. In the last class, we are already completed the first problem in the last fifth main in the exercise 2.4. In the today's class, let us begin with the second problem. Look at the second problem here. X cube minus 3x square minus 9x minus 5. What is the problem? X cube minus 3x square minus 9x minus 5. Now, let p of x is equal to x cube minus 3x square minus 9x minus 5. X cube minus 3x square minus 9x minus 5. Now checking x is equal to 0. First we are checking to the x is equal to 0. Now here x is equal to 0. What is the p of x? X cube minus 3x square minus 9x minus 5. X cube minus 3x square minus 9x minus 5. Now whether 0 or not, whether 0 or not, you have to find here. Now if you are taking in the place of the x, you are putting the value 0. In the place of the x, if you are putting the value 0 in the p of x is equal to x cube minus 3x square minus 9x minus 5. Here x are present. In the place of the x, we are using the value 0. Now first one, it is the checking through the x. Now 0 cube minus 0 square minus 9 into 0 minus 5. Now 0 cube means 0 minus 0 square means 0 is 0 minus 0 minus 5. Now x is equal to minus 5. X is equal to minus 5. Here in the problem, if you are taking the in the place of the x, if you are taking the 0, here you must get the answer is 0. Here must get the answer is 0, but you got the answer is x is equal to minus 5. X is equal to minus 5. It is not. 0 is not. Now checking through the 1. If you are taking the in the place of the x, if you are taking the value 1. Now 1 cube minus 3 bracket 1 square minus 9. In the place of the x, we are taking the value 1 minus 5. Now 1 cube means 1 minus 1 square means 3. Here 1 square means 1 and minus 3 minus 9 5. Now here 1 minus 3 minus 9 minus 5. 3 plus 9 is equal to 12. 12 plus 5 is equal to 17 minus 17. Answer is equal to minus 16. Answer is equal to minus 16 because greater number is minus 17. Now the answer is minus 16. It is also not possible. In the place of the x, if you are taking the value 1, you must get the answer is equal to 0, but you got the answer is minus 16. It is also not possible. Now checking through the minus 1. If you are checking through the minus 1, now in the place of the x, if you are taking the minus 1, now minus 1 cube minus 3 bracket minus 1 whole square minus 9 minus 1 minus 5. In the place of the x, if you are taking the value minus 1, now minus 1 whole cube minus 3 bracket minus 1 whole square minus 9 bracket minus 1 minus 5. Now minus 1 cube means minus 1. Minus 1 cube means minus 1. If you are multiplying the minus 1 into 3 times, you will get the answer is minus 1. Now minus 3 is common. Here minus 3 is same. Now if you are multiplying minus 1 into 2 times, you will get the plus 1. Minus 3 is, if you are multiplying the minus 3 into 1 is minus 3 only. Now minus into minus, here bracket is there. Minus into minus plus, then you will get the answer is plus 9. Last is minus 5. Last is minus 5. Now first you are taking the minus signs one side. Minus 1 plus minus 3 is minus 4. Minus 4 plus 5 is minus 9. minus 9, it is the plus 9. It cancels, you will get the 0. It is as, it is the condition is possible. If you are taking the, in the place of the x, in the place of the x, if you are taking the value minus 1, then you will get the answer is 0. Minus 1 is possible. Now, so minus 1, so minus 1 is p of x is equal to 0. So minus 1 and p of x is equal to 0. Now x minus 1 is equal to 0. Now x is equal to plus 1, x plus 1. You will get the x plus 1. Now here p of x and x plus 1 and the g of x. Now we have to find here g of x. G of x is equal to p of x by x plus 1. If you are taking the p of x is equal to 0 here, if you are taking the p of x is equal to 0, x minus 1 is equal to 0, 0 is equal to x plus 1, 0 is equal to x plus 1. Now we got the, we have to find here g of x. We have to find here g of x. P of x is equal to x plus 1. We got the 0 is equal to, in the place p of x is equal to 0 1, x plus 1 we got here. P of x is equal to x plus 1 bracket g of x. Now we have to find here g of x. G of x is equal to p of x divided by the x plus 1. P of x divided by the x plus 1. Now look at the problem here. 1 minute. Look at the problem. Now we are going to divide here by using the x plus 1 to the p of x. Now x plus 1 we are dividing through the g. What is the p of x? X cube minus 3x square minus 9x minus 5. We are dividing it, is the x plus 1 is the divisor and the x cube minus 3x square minus 9x minus 5 is the dividend. We have to find the coefficient. Now here x cube, here x. If you are dividing through the x square to the divisor, now they will get the answer is x cube minus x cube plus 1 square, x cube plus 1 square. Now here it is the plus becomes minus and it is the plus minus. Here x cube cancels, then you will get the answer is minus 4x minus 9x. Minus 4x square, you will get here 9x. Now if you are dividing through the minus x minus 4, if you are dividing through the minus 4 to the divisor, if you are dividing through the minus 4 to the divisor, 4x, if you are dividing to the minus 4x to the divisor, it is the x plus 1 is the divisor. Now minus 4x into x is minus 4x square. Again minus 4x into plus 1 is the minus 4x. Now here minus having the sign, then you will get the plus sign. Here it is the plus, it is a 4x square cancels. 4x square cancels. Now minus 9x and the plus 4x. Now you will get the answer is minus 5x, because highest greater number is minus 9x. Greater number is minus 9x. Then minus 5 will take here. Now again if you are dividing through the, in the quotient, if you are taking the value 5, minus 5, if you are taking the minus 5, if you are multiplying the minus 5 to the x plus 1, now you are getting the answer is minus 5 into x is minus 5x. Again minus 5 into plus 7 is minus 5. Here sign changes, here sign changes, you get the answer is 0. What is the coefficient? What is the quotient? X square minus 4x minus 5. What is the quotient? X square minus 4x minus 5. It is the quotient. Now here p of x is equal to x plus 1. We got the, what is the p of x here? We got the p of x is equal to x plus 1. It is the p of x. P of x is equal to x plus 1. What is so? Sorry. It is the, if you are taking the p of x is equal to 0, we got the x is equal to x plus 1. Again, what is the coefficient here? X square minus 4x minus 5. It is the quotient. Now we have to find the factorization. By using factorization method, you have to find the factors of the x square minus 4x square minus 5, and then you will get the answer is, what is the factors, last you have to find the factors of the x cube minus 3x square minus 9x minus 5. Now if you are, first you have to find the factors of the x square minus 4x minus 5. Now x plus 1. Now here you must get the sum is equal to minus 4, because middle number is minus 4, and you must get the product is equal to, if you are multiplying the first number and the last number, what is the product you are getting here? Product is equal to, what is the product you are getting here? Minus 5 you are getting the product, minus 5. Now by using the two numbers or by splitting the middle numbers, by splitting the middle number method, we have to find the two numbers. The two numbers must be, sum must be minus 4 and product must be minus 5. Now if you are taking the minus 5 and the 1, if you are taking the minus 5 and the 1, now if you are making the sum of these two numbers, you will get the minus 4. If you are making sum of these numbers, you will get the minus 4. Minus 4 minus 5 plus 1 is equal to highest number is minus, then you will get the answer is minus 4. If you are multiplying minus 5 into 1, you will get the minus 5. If you are multiplying minus 5 into 1 is equal to minus 5. These two numbers are, we are using the, by using the middle number, splitting the middle number method. Now here x square minus 5x plus 1x minus 5. X square minus 5x plus 1x minus 5. Now x plus 1 is common here. Now x, if you are taking the x common, x minus 5, if you are taking the x common in the x square and the fix, x is common, x is equal to bracket x minus 5. Now 1x minus 5, again if you are taking the common x, if you are taking the x common, x minus 5, x minus 5. Now look at the factors, x plus 1, and here x minus 5 are common, x minus 5 and the x minus 5 are common, x minus plus 1, x minus 5 remains it here 1 here, remains x plus 1, here you are taking the common is equal to 1 into x is 1x, 1 minus 5 is 5. Now what are the factors of the x cube minus 3x square? Now factors is equal to x plus 1, x minus 5, x plus 1. These are the factors of the p of x, or x cube minus 3x square minus 9x minus 5. When you are going to find the first, if you are taking the, let p of x is equal to x cube minus 3x square minus 9x minus 5, checking through the x is equal to, if you are taking the value x is equal to 0, again if you not get the answer is equal to 0, again if you are taking the x is equal to 1, if you are taking the x is equal to 1, then again if you are not getting the answer is equal to 0, again lastly we took the answer is x is equal to minus 1, here you are getting the x is equal to 0. Now if you p of x is equal to, if you are taking the 0, if you are taking 0, now x plus 1 is equal to 0 is equal to x plus 1. Now if you are taking the p of x plus 1, you have to find the g of x, Now g of x is equal to p of x by x plus 1. Now we are dividing through the x plus 1 to the x cube minus 3x square minus 9x minus 5. If you are getting the quotient is x cube x square minus 4x minus 5, here p of x is equal to x plus 1, here p of x is equal to x plus 1. What is the quotient? X square minus 4x minus 5. Here by splitting the middle number method, 4x square minus 5 and the 1 are you are using the two numbers. Then what are the factors you are getting here? X minus 5 and the x plus 1. Total number of factors are x plus 1 and the x minus 5, x plus 1. The today's class we are continuing the second problem. These are lengthy problems. In the next class we shall continue the remaining problems. Thank you.